All right, team. We got our breakfast smashburger tacos going down. Little breakfast sausage, little flour tortillas. Guys, don't worry about putting the tortilla on the raw sausage. I know I'm gonna get comments about it. Guys, we're gonna flip these. It's gonna cook all the way through. Don't worry about it. All right, it's been a couple minutes. You can see the browning come up the side right here. Still a little pink, but that's okay. We're gonna give them a flip. Woo. And now that sausage grease is gonna toast up this tortilla real nice like. And it's just gonna be amazing. And it's gonna cook all the way through. All right, team, these are already cooked through. You know we're going on with a little of that American cheese. It's a smash burger. You gotta have American cheese on a smash burger. I'm sure I'll hear about it in the comments though. All right, get these off. Let them chill out on the side over here. The cheese will continue to melt, right? Get our little ring molds in. I know there's, sausage grease in there, but I'm gonna add a little bit of avocado oil, and we're going in with our eggs. Ah, we broke one. No. It is what it is. Little salt, little pepper. We got a little Ortega fire roasted chilies going down. Get those mixed in a little bit. I mean, it's a taco. It's got to have a little heat, right? Just let these cook through. I'm going to try to keep a little runny egg, not so runny egg over here. All right, because I like a little runny egg, but those who don't like runny eggs, that's your side right there. Okay, let's get our egg. Ah, son of a bitch. Guys, I'm having a hell of a time with my eggs today. And that's all right, guys. That's all right. We're dealing with it. Got a little hash browns here. I just fried these up in a pan, nothing crazy, right? My poor runny egg did not make it. Now listen, I could have stopped the video and made other eggs just to make everybody happy, make it look like a pretty video. But listen, we're really cooking here, all right? You like a runny egg, be a little bit more careful. You don't want a runny egg, you're straight. If you got some green onions handy, throw them over the top. All right, there you go. Smash burger breakfast tacos. Gotta get a bite. Guys, these things are nothing short of spectacular. Breakfast smash burger tacos should be on your list. Guys, you gotta make these because, baby, they're good.